Just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to turn off automated extensions in Bing. Super easy, and this will be a super fast video. So first, go to campaigns and then down to ads and extensions, and then click automated extensions, manage automated extensions, and select opt out of specific automated extensions. So from here, what you'll want to do is select dynamic multimedia, dynamic locations, site link structured snippets, longer headlines, dynamic ad enhancements. I usually leave business logo because sometimes it can create smaller logo file sizes that look a little bit better. The only ones, I'm going to unselect this, but I need to do some research to figure out what that means. Partner data enhancements. Okay. The ones that I usually allow automated extensions for are specific situations where either the automated extensions look nice, as in the case of the business logo, like I said, or there are not manual extensions available for certain automated extension types, and allowing Bing to automate these extensions actually improves your ads, right? Good examples of these are consumer ratings, previous visits, and seller ratings. These are just like 5-star ratings that show underneath your ads if you allow Bing to automate these. So leave these unchecked. Give whatever reason you want. I usually said select this, automated extension not preferred, and then click save. Boom, done. So that's how you turn off automated extensions in Bing. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.